Hello everyone, here we are again for another session of Seller's Choice Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to grant user access to your Google Adwords. There are times when where we really need an expert's help. Digital marketing is so broad that it would be hard for you to know everything. With Google AdWords, you can work with other people in your business on the same Google Ads account by granting them access. Please be advised that the invited party needs to accept the invitation on their email before they can access the Google AdWords account. Each time you grant access to your Google Ads account, you'll be able to select which features the user can impact by assigning an access level. Now let us walk you through in granting user access to others. So let's get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. The first thing that you need to do is to go to ads.google.com. Then click the blue Start Now button. If you're not signed in, then you'll be asked to. Just enter your email address and your password. Once you're in, click Settings on top of the page and select Account Preferences on the drop-down. On the Users tab, click the blue plus button. Choose the access level of the account that will be invited. Just read the definition of each user's access. Let me show you a chart of the user access level. Type in the email address of the other user and click Send Invitation. The invited user will be in the pending invitation list until he accepts the invitation. You can always revoke the invitation anytime. When the invited user receives the invitation email, this is how it looks like. He just needs to accept the invitation and confirm his email address by typing it in, then click Continue. After the invited user has accepted the invitation, he will then appear in the user's list. You can also change the access level here anytime, as well as remove its access. So this is pretty much everything that you need to know in granting a user access to your Google AdWords account. Just so you know that we have a lot of tutorials and webinars on bits of advice on how to run and the applicable techniques for your e-commerce business. You can always visit our site at sellerschoice.digital and browse through our huge compilations of webinars, tutorials, and blogs. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned. See you soon! Hey, do you like this e-com content? Sign up for the Sellers Post newsletter for more e-commerce content straight to your inbox, or follow us on socials with the links below. Thanks for watching!